Horwood. Yr un fer at Burke. Horwood. Fewn i'r cwrt, y peniad dros y trawst gan Stuart J. Jones. Yr amddiffynwr mawr bron a roed y bala ar y blaen. Stuart Jones. At Horwood. Horwood, pas hyfryd at Hayes at Venables, amser i'w gosod te, arbediad rhagorol gan y golwr. Ond fe ddylia Chris Venables wedi sgorio mi gafodd yr amser, mi gafodd o'r lle. Chydig bach mwy o hyder yn chwarae Bangor. Wilson, yn ei gosod ti i Darlington. Dyma Wilson, Darlington. Wilson, Rittenberg yn ôl at Darlington, yn ôl at Rittenberg i fewn y cor. O, na chi hyfryd, Stephen Hewitt. O, mi oedd hwnna yn gôl gampus gan yr ymwelwyr. A Stephen Hewitt, a 36 o funudau ar y cyntaf wedi chwarae, yn coroni symudiad celfydd. A Stuart Jones. Kennedy fyny amdani hefo Venables, mae'n disgyn i Smith, mae'n gyfle i Sheridan! Cyfle clir i yn Sheridan i union i'r sgôr. Smith. Hayes. Mae Burke yn y canol, mae Disney yna hefyd. Disney ar peniad yn ôl! A mae'n rydd, mae'n gwneud i'r bal yna, chdi wir! O, amgliriad ydi ar y llinell. Horwood. Mae dal yna i Pearson. Disney. Venables. Hayes yn galw amdani ar yr ochr bellai fyny at Hayes. Mae'n disgyn i Horwood! Taro'r postyn! Dihangfa arall i'r ymwelwyr. Ac yna Kennedy yn ildio'r gic gornel. Yr ergyd gan Evan Horwood yn taro'r postyn. Ac yna'n tasgu ar draws wyneb y gôl. Williams. Gossett. Pearson. Hayes. Venables. Nôl at Hayes. Mae Smith yn y canol, mae Sheridan ar yr ochr bella. Hayes a draws at Sheridan! Hyfryd gan y bala. Da ni di chwarae 6 munud ar 20 o'r ail hanner. Hayes ar creisiad. Sheridan. Wall. Short. Dyma Jordan Evans o'n twyllo gyda Williams yn hawdd. Evans yn y gyfle fan hyn i'r bal ar bel dros y cwrt. Mae'n rhydd. Mae yna i Les Davies. Les Davies o bawb. A mae hwnna ar ei ffordd i leid tegid. Darlington yn ôl at Rittenberg ond Stuart J. Jones yn ei dwyni Hewitt. Pas ar y cynnig cyntaf George Harry yn un rhagorol. Mae Rittenberg yn y canol, mae Wall yna, mae Darlington yna hefyd. Harry! O, na chi gol! O, rhagorol! Gan George Harry! Da ni yn yr amser sy'n cael ei ganiatau am anafiad ar ddiwedd y gêm. Ac ydi George Harry wedi dwyn y pwyntiau i Bangor. Ai honna di gol ola Bangor yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru.
Kevin, has to be a bittersweet victory.
Yeah, brilliant to finish on a win, especially in difficult circumstances tonight. Arriving here, obviously after the decision yesterday, and but the players, did themselves proud, and the attitude was absolutely spot on, exactly what we're after, and to finish with a win, we're delighted with. And if you look at some of the football we played tonight, I think epitomise how we've played all season really. We're one of, if not one of the best footballing teams in this league. We've proven it over the course of the season, and now we've proven, I think, after tonight as well, with the second best team in the league behind TNS as well.
I thought we attacked really well, and then we just didn't take our half chances or take our chances when they come available to us. And story of the season really. And then we get caught on the counter, and goals change games, and we just didn't take the chances when they come. Sheridan and Venables. And you look at the chances they've had, I think they've had 3 chances in the game, scored 2, and I think we've had about 8 or 9. So, that's the difference. And, we've just had a chat there, and, we're prepared now. We'll train hard, ready for the playoffs, and get ourselves prepared for that.
It was our aim at the beginning of the season to finish second, and one of the main things was to close the gap on TNS. Last year we finished 33 or 34 points behind them. This year, 14 points, second in the league, ready to kick on next season. And so unfortunately, the league's going to be a lot weaker for not having Bangor City football in the league.
You mentioned you're preparing for the playoffs, but of course, if Connah's Quay win the Welsh Cup final, you're automatically into Europe.
Yeah, I think you know, there's a lot of pressure on Connah's Quay that, you know, they haven't won a major trophy yet, so it'd be interesting to see if Andy can win a major trophy. So you know, but you know, Aberystwyth are a very good team, and it'll be a difficult game. So you know, we're not looking for anybody. We've just got to look after ourselves. If we go into them, we go into them. If we don't, then we don't. So we'll prepare ourselves the way we've got to.
But you'll be big Connah's Quay fans a week on Sunday.
Yeah, it'd be good. It'd be good if they can win the cup and then get through that avenue. So you know, the club have done well over the years, and I think fourth's the lowest position that we've had for 5 years. So you know, we'll prepare ourselves the best we can and go again.